Just before the start of Euro 2020, Portugal, one of the favorites of this tournament, has been struck with a massive blow. And it's just before their Hungary game. One of their brightest stars, one of their most important men on the field, has been diagnosed with COVID and has already been separated from the squad, is in isolation and will be out of Euros. His replacement has already been announced. Diego Dalot is his replacement, and it's not Cristiano Ronaldo, it's not Bernardo Silva or Bruno Fernandes or Diego Jota. It's Joao Cancelo. Cancelo has been infected with COVID and he's out of Euro 2020. And that's a very big vital blow for Portugal, because remember, this is no longer Cristiano Ronaldo's Portugal. This year they had a team which had 6-7 vital players who could win them the title, and Joao Cancelo, the position he plays in, was very vital for the Portuguese team. Because remember, in a team game, it's not the person who scores, it's the person who provides, it's the person who defends. And in today's football, the full backs are so important. And Joao Cancelo, the right back who could go on the overlap, who could come down, track back and defend, and his attacking qualities were supreme. This Portugal team, both their right back and left back, are so well oiled. They, when attack, they are very important, because on one side, Rafael Guerreiro, the left back, can score and assist goals. On the other side, it was Joao Cancelo who not only scores but provides assist. He was a vital cog in the wheel for Manchester City's title-winning Premier League campaign last season. And remember the game, in the last game against Israel, the practice game, the last international friendly, he scored a beauty with his left foot. Joao Cancelo is one player in this Portugal team who has an immediate replacement in Nelson Semedo, and now Diego Dalot, the Manchester United loanee who plays for AC Milan last season, is being replaced, is being named as his replacement. But Joao Cancelo, in actual sense, doesn't have a very good replacement in these two people, because they are out of form and they don't have the abilities of Joao Cancelo. What makes him great? Because his right foot and left foot both are very strong, and when you are a fullback, if both your feet are very strong and very effective, that solves the team's problems. Because see, now Bruno Fernandes, Ronaldo, Diego Jota, all these people would have been expecting crosses from the right wing from Joao Cancelo. Those darting runs on the overlap from Joao Cancelo, that will be affected. Yes, remember Nelson Semedo at one point of time used to play for Barcelona, but his form dropped drastically. That's why he played for Wolves last season. He was transferred to Wolves, and in Wolves also he was not that impactful. So this Portugal team, which had a great ammunition in terms of Joao Cancelo on the right wing, will miss him very badly. Definitely Semedo will be his replacement in the game against Hungary, but how well he does will be a very important role, because if they switch the play to right, what will be the impact then? Who will cross the ball, pinpoint crosses? Because remember, Diego Jota in this last campaign with Liverpool was brilliant with his headers. Ronaldo, there's no mentioning him, because he is always brilliant with his headers. Again, with Bruno Fernandes and Bernardo Silva linking up with Joao Cancelo, they formed a beautiful pairing up front, and he also came back and assisted the likes of Ruben Dias and Pepe and solidified the defense. That won't be happening this season. So, and most importantly, Portugal will have to settle without Joao Cancelo. What they do will be very interesting to see, but for me this will be their biggest miss of this season. They couldn't have afforded this miss, but now they have to do with it. So for now, this is the end of the video. I'll take your leave. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and follow me and Trisha on our personal profiles. Every information is down in the description below. Goodbye.